Hi everyone, my name is Pierre. For those who have never seen me, I'm Gerard's associate. We've been working together for 7 years now, and I've moved to Spain to help him grow and organize the AI Tinkerers community here in Valencia. Little show of hands to start the demonstration. Who has ever applied for a job on LinkedIn? Yes. Okay. Who has received a reply? Much less. And who has been hired from a job on LinkedIn? So maybe 20% of the total thing. So this is the big problem we have online, is that it's what I call the apply factory. So you go and you find all the job, and you have maybe even some automation to find all the job and then go and apply. But it's really not optimal. And as we have been creating the events here, we have been collaborating with the startups ecosystem. And you guys you have great profiles, and they want to have people like you in the network to be able to hire when they want to scale. So we created Insiders, and Insiders works a little differently. This is your insider inside the company. So instead of applying to job, you talk to your insider through WhatsApp, and as soon as he detects a match and you are okay for the job and the company is also okay, you get a warm intro directly to the company. So I'm going to go and show you how it works really quick. Right, so should have logged out. Sorry, let me do that again. I'm supposed to. Right. So you connect and you continue with LinkedIn. So everything is linked to your LinkedIn account. You don't have to fill any form. You don't have to do anything. We get your profile from LinkedIn and we fill our profile of you in our database according to what you put on LinkedIn. So it's important to have this up to date. All right. So it found my profile and it imported it on LinkedIn. And now what I can do is I can simply take my phone and open WhatsApp on my phone. Right? And I'm going to show on my computer because you're never going to see otherwise. This is the insider chat. And I'm sending the message, hi insider, link my account. This is the first message just to know who is talking to us. And then he's going to talk to me and try to engage me and try to know me, know my preferences, know what I want to do, not what I don't want to do too, obviously. So, hey, I'm your personal insider. I review your profile, and my job is to find the right startup for you, then represent you properly. The mix of technical funding, blah, 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 blah. What are you enjoying most in the work right now, and what would you do? What would make you the next move genuinely worth it? So I'm going to say, I want to build agents because I'm a big fan of agents.
And we were associates, man. What are you doing?
I'm going on my own, okay? I'm going on my own. And through natural languages and conversation I'm going to have with it, it's going to know me more and more and fill the last preferences that is not shown on my LinkedIn account. So for example, do I want to work remotely? Do I want to work in certain part of the world or not? That tracks. For the next one, do you want to stay Valencia based or would you move for the right agent building role? So here it's trying to know if I'm ready to relocate or if I want to work remotely or a hybrid or whatever. So I'm going to say whatever, I can do everything. The good thing with that is that you don't have to do anything. It's already in your pocket. You just have to wipe up your phone and start typing. And that's it. You don't have any form. You don't have any password, any websites that you have to remember or special careers website for every company you want to apply for. Love the flexibility. You already have the right to work in Spain and the EU without sponsorship. Of course I have because I'm French. So it's okay. And then as soon as it knows some basic questions, specifically what we are asking right now is about relocation, work permits, and type of contracts you want. As soon as it knows that, it's going to compare your profile to all the jobs we have in our database and find the best job. And if it is the best job and it's also is better than a certain threshold, it will present the job, an anonymized version, of course. Proper account for roles, will be agent. So right now, I can show you the admin interface. So everything is anonymized. It's random people's word. So here is me. So it got all of that from my LinkedIn account. It got the fact that I have 3 to 5 years of experience. Well, this is not true, but right. These are all the skills that I've mentioned in the different jobs that I've had over the years. I can see the LinkedIn PDF resume that we have downloaded and created from that. And then I can see the different matches. And right now, we can see that I don't have any match done except this one. So we are scoring the relevance of a job to a talent on 4 different pillars, which is the skill depth, the scope, the domain, and the trajectory. Right? We take these 4 different variables, and that gives us a final score if this candidate is good for this job. So as soon as we're going to score everything, if I refresh, maybe I'm going to have more scores. Yes, so I should have received the message right now. Exactly. Now here, the last message is proposing me a job. The interesting one here is a staff engineer, seat building agent, the general sales pipeline. So it's all anonymized. You don't know what you're talking about. It's the description of the job, right? And at the end, there is a question, are you interested? And some trade-offs. So it's London-based and on-site. I'm in Valencia. I don't really want to go to London. So no London. It's not sunny enough, right? And from that, it's going to record that I don't like not sunny places, so it's going to eliminate all the jobs that are not in sunny places or adjacent to sunny, right? So if there is something is not sure, it's going to ask, oh, it's not really in your sunny zone, but maybe it could work. So now it should have registered that I don't want anything to do with this job. Outcome here. Between me and this job, it has recorded that I don't want it, I passed on this job, and the reason was no, London is not sunny enough. We have these outcomes that we record because as the system progresses, we get more and more data, and we can fine-tune it to get more and more better scores and better matching between talents and jobs. So first, sunshine is a legitimate filter. This one keeps you in Spain, blah, 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 blah. I'm doing that. Yes, I'm very interested. Interested, set me up. And since it's an AI, of course, you don't have to write perfectly. It just understands you. I'm doing a lot of messing up with my keyboard right now. And what it does is, as soon as a job has been accepted like that, it's going to add you to the board here. And now our part begins with insiders. So we do a final human review, because obviously it's just an AI. So you can say, yes, I'm interested in all kinds of things, and it doesn't mean that it's the job for you. So we do a final review, but all the screening questions have been already done. Yes, he has the skills to do that. Yes, JavaScript is not mentioned in the resume, but he's OK with working with JavaScript. Yes, he's OK for relocation. All these questions that are basic and that you would spend 30 minutes on a phone call doing, it's done automatically with AI through WhatsApp. And then it's our job to finally open the job and say, yeah, OK, we think it's a really good match. Now we're going to contact the company, present the profile, because we have insiders, real insiders inside the company. We're going to present the profile and do the intro, and hopefully this person will get a job. So that's it. That's how Insider works. Everything is live, so if you want to test it, just scan the QR code. It's going to take you to the website, and you can test it right away. Yes?